Welcome to my channel Travel Guide Qatar Airways Check-in Process. Qatar Airways, a leading global airline, offers a seamless check-in process designed to enhance passenger convenience and efficiency. Whether checking in online, via the mobile app, or at the airport, the airline provides multiple options to suit different traveler needs. Here are 10 key points detailing the Qatar Airways check-in process, ensuring a smooth start to your journey. Online check-in availability. Qatar Airways offers online check-in through its website, qatarairways.com, or mobile app, allowing passengers to check in from the comfort of home or on the go. This service is available 48 hours to 90 minutes before departure for most flights, except for US-bound flights or those departing from Doha to the US, where it opens 24 hours prior. Online check-in is accessible for flights operated by Qatar Airways or where Qatar Airways operates the first leg. Mobile app check-in. The Qatar Airways mobile app, available on iOS and Android, provides a user-friendly check-in option. Passengers can log in using their booking reference or e-ticket number, select seats, and receive a digital boarding pass. The app also allows baggage tag creation for select routes via the BAG-TAG feature, streamlining the process. Enable notifications to receive real-time updates on flight status and gate changes. Steps for online, mobile check-in. To check in online or via the app, visit the Qatar Airways website or app. Navigate to the Check-in section and enter your booking reference, PNR, a 6-digit alphanumeric code, or e-ticket number, 13-digit, along with your last name. Verify flight details, select seats, confirm baggage, and receive your boarding pass via email or save it to your mobile wallet. If checking bags, use fast bag drop counters at the airport. Digital boarding pass. Qatar Airways supports digital boarding passes at numerous airports, including major hubs like Amsterdam, London, Tokyo, and Doha, for e-gate use. Passengers can display their boarding pass on their smartphone at security and boarding gates. However, a printed boarding pass is required for passport control at some airports, including Doha for non-e-gate users. Always check airport-specific requirements. Airport counter check-in. For passengers preferring traditional check-in, Qatar Airways counters open 3 hours before departure and close 1 hour prior. At Hamad International Airport in Doha, first-class passengers use Al Safwa First Check-in, Row 1, Business Class uses Al Morjan Business, Row 2, Privilege Club, Oneworld members use Row 3, and Economy Class uses rows 4-6. Arrive early to avoid queues, especially for international flights requiring 3 hours. Self-service kiosks. Qatar Airways provides self-service check-in kiosks at select airports, such as Copenhagen, Paris CDG, Frankfurt, London Heathrow, and Singapore. These kiosks allow passengers to enter their booking details, select seats, print boarding passes, and generate baggage tags. They're ideal for travelers seeking a quick, staff-free check-in process, particularly those without checked luggage. Baggage drop-in policies. Passengers who check in online but have luggage must use designated fast bag drop counters at the airport. Baggage allowances vary by route, class, and privilege club status, e.g., 32 kilograms for 2 pieces in first, business class. Excess baggage fees apply if limits are exceeded, and passengers should verify allowances online to avoid surprises. For odd-sized luggage, counter check-in is recommended. Seat selection. Online and mobile check-in allow free seat selection for most fare types, with preferred seats, e.g., extra legroom, available for a fee. Privilege Club members may access premium seats based on tier status. Early check-in, 48 hours prior, increases the chance of securing preferred seats, especially for group travelers aiming to sit together. Special requirements and restrictions. Online check-in is unavailable for group bookings, passengers with infants, pregnant women over 28 weeks, requiring medical clearance, or those with special needs, e.g., full leg casts. These passengers must check in at airport counters to ensure proper assistance and documentation verification. Always contact Qatar Airways in advance for special requests. Privilege Club and Oneworld benefits. Privilege Club members and Oneworld Alliance partners, Gold, Platinum tiers, enjoy priority check-in at dedicated counters, Row 3 in Doha, additional baggage allowances, and lounge access post-check-in. Members can use Avios for up to 20% off at Qatar duty-free, enhancing the airport experience. Ensure your Privilege Club number is added during check-in to avail benefits. Qatar Airways check-in process is designed to maximize convenience and efficiency, aligning with its reputation as a 5-star airline. By offering online, mobile, kiosk, and counter options, the airline caters to diverse traveler preferences while minimizing wait times. The integration of digital boarding passes and BAGTAG technology reflects a commitment to innovation, allowing passengers to spend more time enjoying airport amenities like Qatar duty-free or premium lounges. For international travelers, especially those from India or the US, the process is streamlined with clear guidelines on timing and documentation. However, passengers should be aware of restrictions, e.g., printed boarding pass requirements at certain checkpoints, and plan accordingly to avoid delays. For support, contact Qatar Airways at +1 877 777 2827 US, or use the app's live chat. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.